In today's video, I am going to show you how to do a quick privacy checkup on Instagram to make sure your account is secure and your information is protected. It's simple and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner and then tap on the three-line menu at the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Account Center. Under settings, tap on password and security. Here you will see option like login alerts, two-factor authentication and where you are logged in. These are all part of your privacy and security checkup. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication for added security. Review active session and log out from unknown device. Doing this quick privacy checkup help keep your account safe from hackers. And that's it. Now you know how to do a privacy checkup on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.